Hello and welcome back. We are on part four here. Part four is going to talk about the pool schedule and generating a pool schedule. So the first thing we're going to have to do is you'll come in here. We're in the division still where we've been working. We'll come to 14U here. We're going to come down to the pools. Now this is where you assign teams to a pool. Let me go back here. I'm going to create a pool first. We're going to add a pool here. Or we're going to change this 0. This one is going to be, so we're going to put everybody in one pool. If you had a bunch of teams and wanted to put people in different pools, this is where you would set that up. You would call pool 1, pool 2, pool 3. But for this example, we're going to have one pool. So we create one pool, and here's our pool. We're going to assign teams to the pool. Now we're going to put all of these teams in the pool. So you can just hit this assign randomly to pool, and that's going to put everybody in the pool 1. Okay, so once we have everybody assigned to the pool, we'll come to the pool scheduling, and then we're going to come to we'll go to bulk editing here, and this is where you can come in and select the teams that you want to play each other. What times? This is where you're going to put them all in here. So you go in here, all games. We're going to put them on this date. We're going to be playing at Ford Park. We're going to be doing pool 1, and we're going to put all teams. Okay, so this right here is going to this is going to be your game numbers. We're going to just go down the list. We're going to put in some numbers here. 4, 5. Okay, so then you'll come in here and select your dates. I'm just going to do all these at one time, and I'm just going to do these columns here that we got going. Okay, time. So I know that I had set the pool schedule up for starting at 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to run this guy to 8 o'clock. (8 a.m.) That's going to be our first game. I'm going to click off of this, and this is going to be, I'm going to put these guys on field 1. For simplicity, I'm going to put the 14U on field 1 and field 2. We're in the 14U age group here. So I put this field at field 1, and then I'm going to come here and I'm going to put this guy at 8 o'clock also. And we're going to put the other 14s on field 2. And then here you come and select the teams. I'm going to go right down the list. I'm going to have Thunder 18 play this other Thunder team. Then I'm going to come here and I'm going to have the Envy play the next guy here, Gladiators. Okay, and so we got 2 games here. So we'll come here and we know our next game is going to start at. We know the game is going to get over at 9, and we're going to start the next game at 9:10. That'll allow us that 10-minute break in between games. Click off of there. I'm just setting these next ones up while we're here. 9:10. Okay. AM. Click off of that. Okay, then we're going to come here, and we ended up with Gladiator, so we're going to have this guy play this guy. And for this game, somebody's going to have to play twice. So we're going to let American Thunder play the Stars team. So we're looking in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 teams. Let me double check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 teams. One team's going to play a pool game twice. So this setup would be for one pool game. If you wanted to do a second pool game, you would continue on down this way. Okay, once you get this in here, save the games. All right, so we should be saved. We'll come back to our divisions button here. We'll look at our 14s, and we'll come here, look at our pool schedule. And here we'll show the pool schedule or the matchups here. to see the actual schedule, we're going to start messing with the scheduling here. And you'll see this drag and drop. We'll open this up. And it placed a couple teams in here. For whatever reason, it didn't bring these other ones down. So you just drag these guys here, drag them here. Okay, now if you get a red error message here, or I'm sorry, if the box is black, it'll tell you that you have a problem. And let me show you what it'll do. Let's just say, let's take this game out and put it over here for now. And you see how you got American Thunder playing here? That's the team we had playing twice. So for example, if you put this guy here, the system's going to say, it's going to show you two black boxes. So this means you got an error. You hover your mouse over the black box, and it'll tell you up here what the problem is. And this is saying, hey, you got American Thunder playing twice at the same time. So if you see a black box, that means you have a problem. Okay, we're going to come back down here. We're going to fix this back. We're going to put Thunder and those guys back in that game. We're going to bring these people back over here. So this is our pool schedule. It's pretty much done. It's all set. If we went to the public results over here, and then we went to our 14U, this would show the pool standings when they're playing each other, the wins, the losses, and all that good stuff. Now, the schedule's not published yet, so it won't show the actual schedule down here until we publish the schedule. So as you can see up here at the top, up here are our tabs. This tab I'm going to leave open. This is our public view tab, and we're going to be going back and forth just to kind of see what the public's seeing. Now I'm going back to the edit part, and now I'm going to go real quick and do I'm going to go back to the divisions. And while we're doing this, so we're working through this process here, okay? We're started with general, we put our teams, we got our pool set, then we got our pool games. Then we're going to go into brackets. Before I do that, I'm going to jump over to the 16U, and I'm going to catch them up with the same thing we just did. The general stuff wasn't really nothing there. The pools, we're going to add a pool. We're going to call this pool 1, and we're going to save it. There's our pool. We're going to assign teams to the pool. We're going to come into here, randomly assign. All it's going to do is just put everybody in the pool. Okay, everybody's in the pool. You got to watch on some of these pages, there's a save button. Some of these are not. That's why I'll scroll down and check for a save there. Okay, we'll come to the pool schedules. We'll do, the system will go in here and generate a schedule for you. I haven't kind of done that yet. I've just been going to bulk editing. So in here, we're going to have, let's see how many games we're going to have. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like we're going to have 3 games. So we'll come here. We'll put the number of games to 3. As you can see, we're in the 16U deal, 16U division. I'm going to add these in here real quick. And then we're going to set our times, 8 o'clock. I'm going to go ahead and set all the times all the way down real quick while we're here. Okay, our next one's going to be 9:10. And remember, we're playing, for this example, we're doing a 60-minute game with a 10-minute break in between. That's why we're going hour 10. Okay, and in here, we should be going to 10:20. Okay, AM, and we're going to set this, and we're going to be using field 3. For this game, we're going to set this one on field 4, and we're going to put this one back at field 3. Okay, here we're going to match up some teams again. We're going to do Thunder against Thunder. We're going to do these guys against these guys, and these guys against the Magic. Okay, so now we have this set up. We'll come back over here. Just want to check all this stuff up here. Location, Fort Park, Complex, Pool 1, all teams. Okay, so we got all that good stuff there. Then we're going to come down here and save. And that's going to end the part 4 scheduling.